Hi, this is Paria. Today in my presentation, I'm gonna show you how to create and use analog filter in MATLAB. Okay, so just let's go to here and then choose function browser and then type signal and then choose signal processing. Here it shows you a bunch of different tools and then you're looking for GUI, which is this, and then here you can see different function. If I click in this part, here it gives me more information about this function. Also in command window we can type fda tool and just close this. Okay, so here you have this window based on those information, and then the graph of the frequency will show here. We want to design an analog filter, so we have low pass, high pass, band pass, and band stop. I'm going to choose low pass. And then here you have IIR and then FIR. IIR means infinite impulse response. And basically it means analog filter. And then FIR means finite impulse response, which for digital filter. I'm going to choose IIR and then if I click here, I can see other options. I'm going to choose Butterworth. Butterworth filter with one pole is basically the same thing as first order with low pass filter. Okay, so and here we have specify order and the minimum order. Specify order means what order you want. Okay, so for example, I want the first order, so I'm going to select this and then I'm going to change 10 to 1, and then here we have the units. The unit is the hertz, and then the sample frequency is 48k. Also, we can change the value of the sample frequency or cutoff frequency. Okay, so for example, I'm going to change the cutoff frequency to 300, and then I'm going to design this filter. Okay, so here, actually it's my filter result, and then in the top I have some options. If I wanna see my phase response, I'm going to select this. This one, it gives me the magnitude and phase response in the same graph. And then this one, it gives me the impulse. And then this one, it gives me the step response. Okay, so I'm going to close this to show you something else. Again, I'm going to type FDA tool. Okay, so now I want to try different situation, like we don't know what order we want. Okay, so for example, we don't know this is the first order or second order or so on, but we know the value of the sample frequency or f pass or f stop or something like that. Okay, so for example, I'm going to keep the sample frequency as 48k, but I'm going to change the f pass to 300, and then I'm going to change the f stop to 1000, and then also I'm going to change a pass and a stop. Actually, a pass means how much attenuation you will accept. Okay, so for example, I'm going to say 3, and then for a stop I'm going to say like 40, and then here I'm going to select this one. Okay, so in this case, MATLAB is going to figure it out what order filter do we need for those kind of value. Okay, so here is the frequency. Again, I'm going to close this one to show you one more thing. And then I'm going to type F2. And then here, I'm going to choose band pass. And then I'm going to design this one. Okay, so the band pass with those value, it should be like this. Also, in the command window, we can type SP tool. Okay, so here we have signal, filters, and spectra. If we wanted to see how signals look like, so we are going to choose this one, and then this is for the signal. And also we can change the color of signal. Just go to the view and then style, and then we can change the color. Okay, and the same thing for the filter. and this is the filter looks like. And then the same thing for spectra. Okay, so also in command window we can type FEA tool and then go to this. So here is more information about the FEA tool. Okay, so that was my presentation. Thank you.